Hi and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn three quick ideas how you can light up your Diwali lights in a beautiful manner and make your house beautiful. So keep watching. Super quick ideas. So for our first DIY, we will be needing a small chai glass or a small glass, any glass that you have, some glass colors, Fevicol, and glitter. So as you can see, this is what you're going to make. I would prefer that you use solvent-based glass colors. Otherwise, water-based glass colors, whatever you have or easily available to you, you can go ahead and use that. All you need to do is just go ahead and paint your glass. On We are doing it just to the till two-thirds of the way, and then on the top we will add some glue and add glitter. This is one kind of glass. You can put tea lights in it and it will stay forever. You can use it year after year. You can change up the colors as and when you want them. So all you need to do is just use some glitter and you're sorted for years to come. You can change the colors as per your color scheme, or you can do anything that you like to do. So this is our first DIY. For the second one, you can simply use a glass, add some water, and you get small little battis or uh, floating pieces with a wick on it, which is basically made of cork. You can get it at any puja store or any nearby store, or you can make it at home. So you can just put some water in a glass and add some oil, whatever oil you want to use for lighting up your diyas, and use it as a diya candle, and it stays for however long you need it to stay, because you can refill the it with oil and keep using it for a longer time. So in case you don't find these diyas, you can make a simple and quick one by yourself. Use some paper, so, especially a plastic paper kind of thing, wherein like a baking paper or tracing paper, something like that, or a vellum, which will not get drowned or wet in the water very easily. Make a small piece of that. Use a Make a hole inside. Cut a circle and make a hole inside in the center, and put a wick inside, and then put oil, water, and follow the same process, and it will stay for as long as you want it to. And you can again use it year after year. If you don't have small glasses, use any glasses that you have, and this works on anything. Glasses just gives a nice reflection. You can put some flowers around it and decorate your house. I'll share some pictures at the end. It looks really beautiful and stunning. Now the third thing, I have some string light here. I have, as you can see, it's gone all dirty. So I wanted to just clean it up and see how it works. And so since this was a metal thing, it was super easy to take it out. And I used pitambari. I don't know how many of you would know about this, but pitambari is for cleaning copper and brass metals. So this turned out to be very nice. It gave a quick finish. However, if you do not have pitambari at home, you can use lemon or vinegar and clean it with that, and then wash it off with this soap, and it looks beautiful. It will make your Diwali. So I hope you liked this video, and if you did, do not forget to give it a thumbs up. And these are some quick ideas. I'll share more by the end of the day for Diwali decoration. And if you like this video, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up, and share this video with your friends. And wish you all a very happy Diwali. Bye bye.